we are going to learn elimination method. Let us take one of the example here. That is 3x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equals to 0. Elimination method. So let us take these two equations. First one, second one. In the elimination process, we need to observe the coefficients of the variables. Here coefficient of the variable x is 3. Coefficient of y is nothing but is 1. Here this is a constant number. Coefficient of x in the second equation, it is 2, and coefficient of y in the second equation is minus 3 and plus 8 is equals to 0. If we observe here, the coefficient of x in the two equations, it's different. So if it is different coefficients, it is not possible to solve the equations, because 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 3, minus 2, y. So we'll get sum of the equation after subtracting those or adding these two equations. So we'll not get any solution of it. So what we need to do here, if we make these coefficients equal, either x coefficients or y coefficients are equal in this, so we can subtract both equations and one of the variable is eliminated and we'll get another variable, either x or y, then we'll get the value of those equations. So let us see how to make these coefficients equal. Let us see that. So 3, 2. Here there is 3 for x, first equation, and coefficient of x in second equation is, that is 2. Let us make it equal. How? Is take the LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3, 2 is 6. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 into 3 is also 6. First, 3x plus 1y plus 1 is equals to 0, first equation, and then 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equals to 0, that is second equation. Here there is 3 and there is 2. To get a same number for this both equations, when we multiply by 2 for the first equation, if it is multiplied by 2, we'll get 6. 6 here, 3 2s are 6. And if we take here the second equation, when we multiply by 3, we'll get 6 here. Then the coefficients of the variables, it becomes same, 6 and 6. So not only x, we can make for y also those coefficients equal. So we are taken here x values. So let us multiply with 2, because that is the reason. Here 3 2s are 6. So 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. That's the reason we are multiplying by 2, this whole equation, and this whole equation is multiplied by 3. After multiplication, let us see what values we are getting here. So 2 3s are 6, 6 6. 2 1s are 2, 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. First one. Second one, 3 2s are 6x, 3 3s are 9y plus 8 3s are 24 is equal to 0, second equation. These two equations. Now, if we add these two equations, 6 plus 6, it becomes 12. 2 minus 9 is minus 7. So here 2 plus 24 is 26. So what we are getting here, we are getting two variables, one of the equation we are getting. So if we add both the equations, we are not getting any solution for it. So when we subtract 6 minus 6, 2. minus it becomes plus, 2 plus 9, 11, y. So here one of the variable is eliminated. So we'll subtract these two equations. It becomes minus, plus, minus. The process of subtracting two equations. So for the second equation, we'll change the symbols. Here it is plus, it becomes minus. It is minus, it becomes plus. Plus, it changes into minus. So let us subtract this both. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 2 plus 9 is 11. 11y. And 2 minus 24. Here there is a minus symbol. So we'll consider this after changing the symbol. 2 minus 24 is minus 22 is equals to 0. Let us find out this value. 11y is equals to 22. Y is equals to 22 by 11. And y is equals to 2. After cancellation, we got the value of y, that is 2. To find out the value of x, let us take one of the equation, either 1 or 2. 3x plus 1y plus 1 is equals to 0, first equation. Take the first equation and substitute the value of y in this first equation. We get the value of x. So let us see. 3 into 1 into y is 1 into 2 plus 1 is equals to 0, because here 3x 1 into y is nothing but 2. Y value is 2. So plus 1 is equals to 0. Then 3x 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. 3x 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. And 3x is equals to minus 3 after transposition. Then x is equals to minus 3 by 3. X is equals to minus 1. We got the value of x, that is minus 1. The value of x is minus 1 and value of y is 2. This is the process of finding the values of the two equations using elimination method.